Imagine Earth under two moons. The night sky becomes unfamiliar. One moon is large and bright. The second is smaller and darker. Some nights become brighter than ours. The oceans begin to change. Coastlines feel the difference first. Ancient humans would look up in awe. The sky now has two clocks. Two moons pull on one planet. Our Earth has only one large moon. But this timeline adds a smaller one. Not every two-moon system is stable. So this moon must be smaller. It still changes the night. Some nights show both moons together. Double moonlight sharpens every shadow. Other nights become deeply dark. Animals must learn new rhythms. Prey hide when nights grow brighter. Migrating birds read a more complex sky. Sea turtles face a changed coastline. Coastal animals follow new light cues. Marine life feels new lunar timing. When moons align, tides grow stronger. High water reaches farther inland. When moons pull differently, tides complicate. The ocean gains a stranger rhythm. Estuaries and marshes begin to change. Tide pools become more dynamic. Waves reshape the shore over time. Wetlands expand, shift, and breathe. Humans build farther from the sea. Tide watching becomes survival knowledge. Two lunar cycles create complex calendars. Navigation follows two lights. Civilization may grow near river mouths. Coastal design must adapt early. The moons become cultural symbols. People align monuments with moonrise. They connect the sky to the sea. From patterns, early science begins. Everything now follows two rhythms. And Earth becomes a stranger system. The biggest change begins in the ocean. Aligned moons create stronger tides. High water reaches farther inland. Estuaries grow wider and richer. Wetlands expand along low coasts. Tide pools become more dynamic. But tides also become less predictable. Currents grow stronger near shore. Waves reshape coastlines over time. Low plains may become marshes. Coastal animals adapt first. Plants must survive flooding and drying. Fish follow the moving water. Birds feed when mudflats return. A new food web takes shape. Humans build above the tide. Tide marks become survival knowledge. Homes rise higher from the shore. Moonwatching becomes practical science. Sailors learn stronger currents. Storms become worse at high tide. Settlements move away from danger. River deltas become more complex. Coastal zones widen across the world. Evolution accelerates near the shore. The coast becomes a living laboratory. And civilization learns to read the sea. Life does not just see two moons. It begins adapting to them. Night animals face changing brightness. Prey hide during brighter nights. Darker nights become safer windows. Behavior follows a new lunar rhythm. Birds read a more complex sky. Sea turtles follow changed moonlight. Coral reefs feel double timing. Marine cycles begin shifting. Tide pools become harder to predict. Shore animals evolve precise timing. Crabs wait for retreating water. Fish enter marshes with the tide. Wetlands become richer ecosystems. Coastal plants endure stronger cycles. Even inland animals feel the change. Sleep patterns begin to shift. Night insects follow altered light. Humans learn by watching nature. Double moonlight helps night travel. But brightness also removes hiding places. Two moons become ecological clocks. Some species thrive in this world. Others lose their old advantages. Evolution favors flexible timing. Life follows two lights now. And humans build meaning around them. Humans would measure time differently. One moon creates one familiar cycle. The second moon adds another rhythm. Ancient calendars become more complex. Farmers watch both lunar patterns. Fishers depend on tidal timing. Tide marks become early data. Sailors navigate by two lights. River mouths become civilization centers. Settlements move onto safer ground. Sky watchers become practical experts. Observation turns into early science. Moonrise positions gain importance. Stories grow beneath two moons. Rituals follow rare alignments. Time now has two faces. Cities rise where water can be read. Architecture adapts to moving tides. Trade follows safe tide windows. Coastal routes connect early societies. Knowledge keepers become powerful. Counting cycles encourages mathematics. Children inherit lunar knowledge. Civilization balances gift and danger. The sky changes human thinking. Two moons reshape culture and planning. But stability becomes the next question. Two moons must balance carefully. Gravity connects every object. Stable orbits require separation. Unstable paths can grow dangerous. The smaller moon may drift slowly. Resonance could shape both orbits. Tidal friction slows Earth's rotation. Days may grow longer over time. Long days change surface heating. Plants adapt to new light cycles. Animals adjust their activity. Human timekeeping changes too. The moons also pull on each other. Small orbital shifts accumulate slowly. One moon might drift away. A worse path could bring collision. Debris could form a temporary ring. The ring may spread around Earth. Some material could form a moonlet. But our timeline needs stability. Astronomers would watch the moons. Science would study their motion. Tides become easier to predict. Beauty also carries risk. Two moons create delicate balance. Deep time magnifies small changes. So stability remains the hidden question. And the future depends on gravity. A future Earth would adapt to tides. Coastlines glow under double moonlight. Cities rise farther from the shore. River deltas become engineered worlds. Settlements follow safer high ground. Tide prediction becomes essential. Astronomy stays deeply practical. Navigation follows two lunar guides. Farming adapts to tidal calendars. Fishing follows complex moon timing. Coasts become shared living systems. Bright nights change human behavior. Dark nights feel more powerful. Calendars become layered and precise. Culture grows beneath two moons. Architecture follows moonrise lines. Tidal energy may become valuable. Engineering learns to move with water. Storm tides still remain dangerous. Inland cities depend on tide ports. Science connects sky and sea. Children inherit two lunar rhythms. Satellites watch a complex system. Earth becomes harder to simplify. Civilization thrives by respecting tides. Humans see the ocean differently. The planet glows with two rhythms. And the final lesson begins. Two moons change more than the sky. They change the whole Earth system. One moon gives Earth one rhythm. Two moons create overlapping rhythms. The ocean feels them first. Life learns to follow them. Humans learn by watching both. Calendars become more than tradition. Night itself becomes less predictable. Darkness becomes rare and meaningful. The coast offers food and danger. Culture grows around double moonlight. Science begins by seeing patterns. But gravity keeps the system fragile. Deep time changes every orbit. Civilization adapts to moving water. Humans see Earth differently. From space, the planet looks familiar. But every shoreline tells another story. We are shaped by forces above us. The moons become silent clocks. They pull on ocean in history. Two moons mean two rhythms. Two rhythms mean a different humanity. The whole planet answers the sky. Earth becomes a more complex world. And every night reminds us why. The sky is never just above us.